Hi, I'm the developer of the iOS application Gradebook, and I'm going to show you how to configure your classes. First thing we need to do is create a course. So go down to the bottom and add a course. I'm going to name this Geometry. Save it. Let's add in a class to the course. Say Room 5. Save it. Now we need to add students. So you've got 4 different options. Adding a new student, let's try that. Let's give them an ID, school ID. Let's give them a name and a nickname. You don't need to give them a nickname, but we're going to in this. We can choose a photo. Save. Now we have a student. We can also choose from our list of existing students and add a student. Another option, which is the option that I use most often, would be adding from a CSV file. CSV stands for comma separated values, and you can create these files using Excel or Numbers or Google Spreadsheet program. And when we select that option, we've got a description down here which tells us the format of our file. We need to have the class ID, comma, the school ID, comma, the full name, comma, and M or F, male or female. And what we do is we select our CSV file and we hit done, and it will add the students in the file. The final option is for when you have someone that already has Green Gradebook installed and they've created a class and they've exported a class list. Then we can import students from a backup file. And I'm going to import it from my example class. I hit done. It'll have a progress bar and it will add these students into the class. So here are my students. Now we have a fully populated class. Last thing I can show you here is how can you give your class list to your friend. Hold down and you'll have an option to export students. This is exporting. I have Dropbox configured, so it'll actually send that list of students to my Dropbox while also putting a copy on the local iPhone. You can get the copies by plugging your phone into iTunes and going to the Apps tab and finding the Green Gradebook app at the very bottom, and it'll show you all the contents of the files in Green Gradebook. So your backup files, your class lists are all going to be in there. Thank you.